to add sender to contacts on Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add any sender on Yahoo Mail to your contacts. So all what you have to do is choose the email that you want to add to contacts. For example, I choose this one. Now all what you have to do is go to the top and click on those three dots right here, and all what you have to do now is click on add sender to contacts and choose the name and click save right here. Now as you can see, I just added the sender to my contacts, easy and fast, in less than 1 minute. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.